Hello and welcome to this tutorial video as we look at Google Classroom's integration with NotebookLM. I am Krantz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. You may be familiar with NotebookLM, an AI generation platform that creates new content from sources that you input into it to use. In doing so, you do not have to think about where the AI platform is generating its information from when it's creating content for you. For instance, you could input into NotebookLM a PDF of an article you read as a class. Then you could generate additional content off of the article you inputted. As Google Classroom and NotebookLM are both Google products, it makes sense that eventually they would become integrated into one another, and that is exactly what Google has begun to do. Within Google Classroom, you can go to your classwork page and then click the Create button to find a NotebookLM option. After clicking the Create button from the drop-down menu, you will now see an option titled NotebookLM. A window will then open in which you can select a notebook from NotebookLM that you had either previously created or create a brand new notebook in NotebookLM. This will be created as a materials post in your Google Classroom course for your students to access. In your notebook, you can upload the sources you want your students to work with in generating new content. In doing so, this allows them to interact with your curriculum in new and different ways. How does NotebookLM work? Once your sources are uploaded, your students can then generate items off your sources. For instance, if you have a section of a textbook uploaded, the user selects the sources on the left-hand side of the screen. Students then choose to make the information found in the PDF possibly into a study guide, video overview, or audio podcast overview, amongst other content creation items for students to learn and study from. Once the notebook is set up and created, it will be posted as a materials post in your Google Classroom course for your students to open and interact with. How could students benefit from this platform? The easiest way I see students using this in my mind is in preparing for a test or a quiz. They have materials they can use as resources to study from, including their notes, and they can place into NotebookLM for it to generate vocab lists, a study guide, fact sheet, amongst other items to help prepare and study for their upcoming assessment. Please make sure that before you have students use any AI platform, including NotebookLM, you go over with your students how to properly interact and use an AI platform, including going over data privacy and safety issues. In this video, you've learned about NotebookLM's integration into Google Classroom. You can find other helpful tutorial video guides like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.